I don't even come out here. What's up with your homie though?
Fuck being on some chill shit. We gon' Baby on that rap and pay the bill shit. And I don't feel that shit, not even a little bit. Oh Lord, know yourself, know your worth, nigga. My actions being louder than my words, nigga. How you sold, I been still sold down to earth, nigga. Niggas wanna do it, we can do it on their turf, nigga. Oh Lord, I'm the rookie.
Got the whole club coming through. You guys can't see anything, but they're behind me. Alright guys, stick around for the vlog. I know this one's gonna be pretty sick. We're gonna hang out to a pretty big car meet. There's cars over there coming in for it. So yeah, let's get this cracking, guys. Baby girl Rudy. I mean, you're fucked up. Fuck it, let's get.
Give him a life lesson.
I like Daniel, find your hand, bro.
You got 3 of them.
Oh shit.
Look fucking.
Let's see. This seems fun. Let's get 2. One for a boy, one for a girl. See if I can get a better angle for you guys. Got arrested. Not arrested, but
Your shit on cargo. Shut up.
got more cop cars coming up.
Let me see where's the lineup at. That shit looks fucked up as fuck. And I don't even come out here. What's up with your homie though? What's up with you guys fucking with us though? Why, you guys don't have nothing better to do? I am talking. Because you guys came over here.
Fucking idiot.
We're not even doing nothing bad. Nothing bad. Everybody's just chilling. What? We're not doing nothing bad.
Talking shit to the cops.
But you're over here, you guys are keeping us out. We're not even doing nothing bad. You guys should be stopping crime. Like the crime's in that head right there. Not really. What happened? The joke stuff? Yeah. Stop that shit, boy. You don't need none of that. We're in Hackford, we're in your city right now. Go to Fresno. You won't do that over there. Now I think you won't do that over there.
Disrespect me, got no choice, I gotta get on. Snakes in the grass.
You want to take a video for it?
About to enter a rap battle.
See
what we can do.
You want to take a video for it?
Huh? Cream like the
don't know about you guys, but I felt that was kind of rigged. Taking off my ghost cam. I don't know, I felt that was kind of rigged. We had Brian and his Whippled S197. Everybody screamed out the Yodi won it, the Yodi won it. But like literally like 4 people said that the red Lexus, I think it was on the 300 or whatever, the one with the 2JZ motor, took it. But yeah, it felt kind of rigged. I bet it's just all his little friends right there screaming their lungs off and all that shit. But whatever, it all happened already. I'm not gonna be a sore loser about it. But one thing I am pissed about is the fucking guy that was in the middle fucking like dropped his beer on my fucking car. Felt like a big bang, but I checked it, there's no damage. But yeah, that should not happen and everything like that. So it's fucking freezing, so that's why I'm starting. But hope you guys like and enjoy this video. A lot of shit went down. There goes Brian right there, his little cute ass. But yeah, if you guys want to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new. And this has been One Hand. Hope you guys like and enjoy this video. Next video, I think it's gonna be installing the VMP Gen 3. Recording. He's just like looking right at me while I'm recording. Alright guys, so I'll catch you in the next video. Yep, skiing state rest. It's some bullshit. Fuck, CHP got Brian. Fucking shit. Don't look so good. Checking his headers, his Whipple. Might get state rest. Fuck, man. God damn, dude.